Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and display bezel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam cable for later replacement. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Place the webcam board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the webcam board from the static dissipative bag. Place the webcam board onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the webcam board to adhere it to the display enclosure. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board. Route the webcam cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.